How to change caption language on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to change caption language on YouTube app. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch YouTube app on your device. Make sure that you already have logged in and signed into your account. Now you will reach on the home feed of YouTube when you open the app. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select your icon at top right corner of the screen to access the settings page. Scroll down and locate the options of captions. Tap on it, which is underneath live chat, and here you need to make sure to toggle the button on if the button is off. Once done, tap on the language section, and here are so many languages. You can easily select anyone as per your convenience. For me, default is the convenient language, so let's tap on it, and here you can also select the text size and caption style. Once you have customized this option, you can easily change caption language on YouTube app. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.